Let's say we want to create a login form in Python Tkinter. So first of all, we will import the Tkinter as tk and create an object of master class. Our window will look like this. Now set the basics of our window, that is the geometry. These are the dimensions for our window. Set the title of the window. Now our window will look like this with the title. You can configure the background of our window, and then we will put our window resizable as false so that window will not be extendable. Next we will take an image already saved in take a variable label of label type and put that image in the label, and we will place this label in our main window and place it on x and y coordinates. There it goes. We have an image in our window. Now take a frame in our main window with the width and height and set the background. Now place this frame and you will see we will have a frame. Now take a heading and put it on our put this heading in our label, and this label will be in our main window, and the text will be login form. Set the foreground and background and the font as well. You can choose any font of your own choice according to your window and frame. Now place this heading in the window, and there you go. Now it's in the main window. We want this into the frame. Now adjust it. It's good. It looks good. Next we will create a username entry. Take a variable user underscore name and put this in our frame. Set the background border and font for this username. Next place this username and put the value as username in this username user underscore name variable. Next take a frame in our window with the following height and width and background and place it on following dimension. Now you can see there is a frame under username. Next we will copy the username code and change this user underscore name to user underscore password, and change the password also here, and now show is equal to static means password will be hidden. Set the dimensions or xy position of our user underscore password. Next you see now we have username and password in a frame. Next it put place a button login to login. Variable of take a variable of button type, put it in our frame, set the dimensions, background text as login, border, etc., and place it accordingly. Okay, next put a label as don't have an account underneath your button, that is login button. set the dimensions, parameters, set the font, and place the label. There you go. Okay, the next is sign up button, or a sign up text. Basically, take a variable of sign underscore up is button, put it in our frame, set the text as is sign in, set the border, background, foreground, and place a cursor with as hand to. Now place this underneath your don't have an account text. That's all. Now you have button, username, password, button, and sign up.